My name's Al Breunig. I served in the United States Navy from 1971 to 1975, active duty.
Wisco Radio's Salute to Service, telling the stories of our community.
I was extremely proud of being able to put that uniform on. First time away from home, something I did all by myself, and was looking forward to all the adventures ahead of me. I've said this many times, everything in my life has pivoted off of my time in the Navy. Absolutely everything. I came home on Liberty after being overseas for 10 months. Short story, that's when I met the lady I married a year and a half later, and everything from that point on. I would not have met her had I not come home from on Liberty for 4 days. And everything from that point on is pivoted off of that. It was with mixed emotions, actually. As I said, we had gotten married about 14 months before my enlistment was up. So we were excited about the next thing in our lives and the next chapter. And we've thought many times about what would have happened had I stayed had I at least stayed on active reserves. But we have no regrets. So coming home was great. Getting back into normal life was great to an extent. The best thing about the American Legion is the camaraderie that's developed between the various branches. You will hear a lot of remarks one way or the other about various branches. Me being in the Navy, that's somewhat of a minority. Most of the guys are Army guys, and I always say, well, they couldn't get in the Navy, so they had to go in the Army. Navy only takes the best. So it's that camaraderie. It's the old stories, and it's kind of a little bit back in the military, but not. I needed to get out of town.
To learn more about the American Legion Post 113 or to join, scan the QR code below or go to MountHorebAmericanLegion.com. That's Mount Horeb, AmericanLegion.com.